the Back to School crew, and it's hard to believe that summer break is almost over.
And it's time to get ready for a new school year. I'm Ames Moran.
And I'm Jacob Dunlap, and we're here to tell you about our amazing elementary schools in the Cabot School District. First, we would like to introduce to you our wonderful principals. Central Elementary, administrators Don Verkler and Macy Leggett. Eastside Elementary, administrators Jill Fletcher and Madison Darr.
Magnus Creek Elementary administrators Kelly Bateston and Bethany Hill. Mountain Springs Elementary administrators Mandy Watkins and Tori Harrison. Northside Elementary administrators Haley Beavert and Miriam Berryhill.
Southside Elementary administrators Stacy Allen and Melissa Fury. Stagecoach Elementary administrators Carol Skiba and Julia Treadway. Ward Central Elementary administrators Connie Reed and Frankie Glover.
Westside Elementary administrators Teresa Richardson and Michelle Atherton. Cabot Learning Academy administrator Joanne Blaylock.
Our principals are super excited to meet you and begin another great school year.
Postcards from your child's teachers will be mailed out in advance of open house. Open house will be Thursday, August 8th from 5 to 7:30 p.m. The time you should be there depends on your last name. A through G is from 5 to 5:30 p.m., H through M is from 5:30 to 6 p.m., N through S is from 6 to 6:30 p.m., and T through Z is from 6:30 to 7 p.m. Parents, don't worry about buying supplies. There is a $25 supply fee that includes a t-shirt. The fee can be paid at open house or the first week of school by cash or check.
You can also pay the supply fee online. The online payment store can be found on your school's website. The link is also on the district website under Resources for Parents.
Want to know about buses or car rider lines? All of that information is available at the open house too. You can also go to the district website, cabotschools.org, and click on the bus stop icon at the top of the page. What about lunch?
Well, during open house, you can put money in your child's account to pay for breakfast and lunch. You can do it online. Just look for Easy School Pay under the Quick Links section on each school's website.
Also during open house, you can fill out forms for free and reduced price meals. Or you can apply online by going to the district's website or clicking the Easy Meal app link on your school's website.
All of this information can be found on our awesome Cabot School District app. Don't forget to download it. It's free and has the latest school news.
Now remember, the first day of school is Tuesday, August 13th. Doors open at 7:30 a.m. The first bell rings at 7:50 and the tardy bell rings at 8. School dismisses every day at 3:20 p.m.
And this is very important. If you have a child that will be in kindergarten, is a new student, or a returning student, you must pre-register or update their information online. Click on the student registration button at the top of the district homepage. For more information, call Central Administrative Office at 501-843-3363.
We are excited for the new school year and we hope you are too.
Have a good one.
Hi, we're the Back to School crew and we're here to tell you about our awesome Cabot Middle Schools. I'm Ames Moran.
And I'm Jacob Dunlap. The principals at Cabot Middle School North are Susie Kelly, Terry Duncan, and Micah House.
The principals at Cabot Middle School South are Matt Sheets, Amy Morrow, and Casey Hill.
Middle school is an amazing 2 years of learning, fun, friends, and awesome school activities such as Space Camp, Rockin' at the Hop, track and field, and so much more.
The first day of school is Tuesday, August 13th. Postcards with team assignments will be mailed out in advance of open house.
Open house for 5th graders will be Monday, August 5th from 4:30 to 6 o'clock p.m. for teams 5-1, 5-2, and 5-3, and 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock p.m. for teams 5-4, 5-5, and 5-6.
Open house for 6th graders will be Tuesday, August 6th. From 4:30 to 6 p.m. for teams 6-1, 6-2, and 6-3, and 6 to 7:30 p.m. for teams 6-4 and 6-5.
This is a great opportunity for parents to come and learn more about the middle school and their child's teachers and other important information. During open house, parents can put money into their students' accounts and pay for breakfast and lunch. You can also do it online. Just look for the Easy School Pay under the Quick Links section in each school's website.
Also, during open house, you can fill out forms for free and reduced price meals, or you can apply online by going to the district's website or clicking on the Easy Meal app link on your school's website.
Each student will be asked to pay a one-time supply fee of $25. It can be paid at open house or online. Just click an online payment store link on your school's website. It can also be found on the district website under resources for parents.
In addition to the supply fee, students are asked to bring a backpack, pencils, paper, and a clear drinking bottle if desired.
And please remember, if your student currently owes any fines, such as library or lunch charges, these can be taken care of during open house in your school's office.
And this is very important. If you have a new student or a returning student, you must pre-register or update their information online. Click on the student registration button on the top of the district homepage. For more information, call Central Administrative Office at 501-843-3363.
We look forward to a great school year.
Have a good one.
Hi, we're the Back to School crew, and we're here to tell you about the best junior highs around. I'm Jacob Dunlap.
And I'm Ames Moran. Principals at Cabot Junior High North are Charlotte Sandage, Amy Butler, and Mike Nash.
Principals at Cabot Junior High South are Dr. John West, Mandy Carmichael, and Lance Schiestel.
Junior high is a transition time, preparing students for high school. We have superior academic classes with teachers that not only care about student success in the classroom, but who also take time to care about each student as individuals.
Both Junior High South and North also have a wide variety of clubs that students can get involved in, such as Student Council, Quiz Bowl, Archery, and National Honor Society, just to name a few.
And for those who love sports, both junior highs offer a wide variety of sports like football, track, basketball, volleyball, cross country, dance, and cheer.
Exciting extracurricular activities are also available, like band, forensics, art, and choir. You will definitely find something to fit your interest and personality in Cabot Junior High schools.
Now for some information that you will find helpful as the 2019-2020 school year kicks off. The first day of school is Tuesday, August 13th.
And you can't begin the first day of school without knowing your class schedule, so scheduled pickups will be Thursday, August the 1st from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Cabot Junior High North will hold a new student orientation Tuesday, July 30th at 6 p.m. in the cafeteria.
Cabot Junior High South will hold its new student orientation Thursday, August 8th at 5 o'clock p.m. in the gymnasium.
That's the same day both schools will hold open house from 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. This is a great opportunity to meet teachers and visit our campuses before the school year begins.
Meal prices for the 2019-2020 school year are the same as last year. Breakfast is $1.25 and lunch is $2.60.
You may apply online for free and reduced price meals or pick up a paper application form at open house and schedule pickup day. More information can be found on our district website, cabotschools.org.
And remember, if you currently owe a fine from last year, like a library fine or lunch charges, these must be paid before you can pick up your class schedule.
These fines can be taken care of on schedule pickup day in your school's office.
And this is very important. If you have a new student or returning student, you must pre-register them and update their information online.
Click on the student registration button on the top of the district homepage. For more information, call Central Administrative Office at 501-843-3363.
We hope you have a successful academic school year.
Go Panthers! Ames Moran.
And I'm Jacob Dunlap.
We're about to tell you all about the Cabot Freshman Academy. A new school year is about to begin, and we'd like to introduce you to CFA's awesome administrators. Principal Anna Davis and Assistant Principal Kevin Floyd and Lisa York.
The Freshman Academy is home to about 800 students and is solely dedicated to ninth graders. The number one goal is to provide incoming freshmen with the foundation they need to succeed at Cabot High School.
Something new and exciting this year, all students will be enrolled in pre-AP Algebra and English. CFA is participating in a program with other schools around the nation, where students take pre-AP courses in certain subjects. This will allow CFA to better prepare students for high school and classes after high school.
For the past 2 years, the Freshman Academy has also implemented a program called C2G. C2G is designed to provide students with the extra help and support students may need in math, science, social studies, and English.
Every day, students are given a 40-minute block of time to meet with their teachers for extra help or to make up work. Students can also use the time independently as an incentive.
Now here's some helpful information as we get ready to kick off the new school year. Scheduled pickup is Thursday, August the 1st, from 9 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. You can pick up your schedule in person, or you can access it online using your hack account. Remember, all fines and fees must be paid for to receive your schedule.
Supply lists will also be available on the CFA school website, or paper copies will be available at scheduled pickup or open house. Open house is Thursday, August 8th from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m.
If a student drives a vehicle, they must purchase a parking pass in the office.
Meal prices for the 2019-2020 school year are the same as last year. Breakfast is $1.25 and lunch is $2.60.
You may apply online for free and reduced price meals or pick up a paper application form at open house and scheduled pickup day. More information can be found at our district website at cabotschools.org.
And this is very important. If you have a new student or returning student, you must pre-register, update their information online. Click on the student registration button on the top of the district homepage. For more information, call Central Administrative Office at 501-843-3363.
The Cabot Freshman Academy motto is "Graduation starts here."
And faculty and staff are looking forward to another great year.
Hi, I'm Jacob Dunlap.
And I'm Ames Moran. Welcome back to a new school year. We hope you had a great summer.
We have some important information to share. Our principal at Cabot High School is Henry Hawkins. Assistant principals are Mike Falsinelli, Elena Graham, Adam Kohler, Brad Tarvin, and Sue-Ann Whisker, along with our Dean of Students, Randy Black. Nicole Gatewood is the coordinator of Career, Tech, and STEM Innovation, as well as the homeschool liaison.
ACE and ALE principal is Michelle Evans, and assistant principals are Roger Tonneson and Carrie Lair.
ACE North principal is Georgia Chastain, and assistant principal is John Shiren.
If you are a sophomore or new student at Cabot High School, there will be an orientation meeting at the Fine Arts Auditorium on Sunday, July 21st at 2:30 p.m. and on Monday, July 29th at 6 p.m. You can choose one of those dates to attend.
Cabot High School's back-to-school kickoff week is right around the corner. Students will have the opportunity to access their schedules online if they choose to do so. Cabot High School will also have computers available for those who are unable to access online at home.
Seniors can access their schedules online starting Tuesday, July 30th, beginning at 7 a.m. If seniors are taking concurrent classes, they are encouraged to stop by the Counseling Center on Tuesday to pay for these classes.
If you are a junior, you can access your schedule online on Wednesday, July the 31st, beginning at 7 a.m.
And sophomores can pick up their schedules on Thursday, August 1st from 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. Sophomores can access their schedules online as well on these dates, starting at 7 a.m. August 1st is also Sophomore Preview Day, and students are welcome to tour the campus on this day as well.
As always, the high school is open during our back-to-school kickoff week. Students are encouraged to stop by and speak with their counselor if they have any questions, pick up textbooks, find their classes, and have their student ID badges made in the Media Center.
If you are parking on campus this year, you can also buy your parking pass by the Grand Staircase. Parking passes are $25.
Make sure you have a proof of registration, a copy of your insurance card, and a copy of your driver's license if you plan to purchase your parking pass with the back-to-school kickoff week.
You can also purchase your parking pass online beginning July 22nd. Just click on the online payment store link on the CHS website.
Open house will be held on Tuesday, August the 13th, from 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m.
Now, here is some important information for ACE and ACE North. ACE is currently accepting applications for students in grades 7th through 12th. ACE North is currently accepting applications for students in grades 9 through 12th.
Scheduled pickup for ACE and ACE North will be held at each of their buildings on August the 1st from 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m.
Open house for ACE and ACE North will be held August 8th from 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m.
Parking passes for ACE and ALE are $10. Parking passes for ACE North are the same as Cabot High School.
Meal prices for the 2019-2020 school year are the same as last year. Breakfast is $1.25 and lunch is $2.60.
You may apply online for free and reduced price meals or pick up a paper application form at open house or scheduled pickup day. For more information, you can go find it on the Cabot District website at cabotschools.org.
And this is very important. If you have a new student or a returning student, you must pre-register or update their information online. Click on the student registration button on the top of the district homepage. For more information, call Central Administrative Office at 501-843-3363.
We hope you have a great school year. Remember, it's the first day of school on Tuesday, August 13th.
And be sure to follow at Cabot High, at Cabot_ACE, and at Cabot ACE North on Twitter.
Graduation happens here.